Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson printer. I have Epson L3160, and now I'm gonna show you how to fully reset scan settings on this device. So if you wanna reset scan settings, you need to find settings. Then scroll right to the 8 point. 8 point is restore default settings. Click on it. Then scroll right. Here you will find copy settings and scan settings. Click scan settings. Click restore default, and default restores. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.